Here's the fan I want to fix. It's a great fan. The head even swivels around 360 degrees, but what it can't do is stand up on its own. I could throw it away and buy a new one, but I'm going to restore it with a 3D print. Now I am missing a fourth leg, which I'm hoping I can work around, but looking at the broken bracket underneath, I wonder if there's a bit of a design flaw. The weight of this fan is all in the central post, and that is supported by a bracket and the legs. However, the legs all act like levers on the bracket, so I think that explains why we see the failure here. I reckon it would be better if the central post sat directly on the floor and the legs were just there to stabilise. So here's my design ready to print. The base allows the weight of the fan to sit directly under it on the floor, and I'm gambling that 3 legs are enough to stop it from falling over even when in full swing and tilt mode. I'm pleased with this, £2.50 of filament, and the fan is rock steady with its new base. Do you think this is a better design? Let me know, and thanks for watching.